This tutorial will talk about the Date Management tool. The Date Management tool allows you to adjust all dates in your course at once, including tools and contents that have associated due dates or start and end dates, such as gradebook columns, announcements, and content items that have display after and display until due date set. The tool also updates adaptive release date rules. To access the Date Management tool, go to the Control panel. Click on Course Tools and Date Management. There are three options to adjust your due dates. In this case, my last course start date was January 27th, but my upcoming course starts on May 26th. I'm going to click Use Course Start Date to adjust the dates in my course. The last start date was January 27th, and my new start date is May 26th. I click the Start button, and the dates are processing. I click the Next button, and I get to a screen that has all of the dates in my course listed. In this view, I have some options. I can sort by name, I can sort by a due date, I can sort by a start date, or I can sort by an end date. I can also select items by item type. For instance, if I want to look just at my announcements, I can select Announcements, and it will bring up just my announcements. So in this case, my course begins on May 26th, which is actually Memorial Day, and I want to change just this one item. I can click on Edit Dates and change it, the one day, click Done, and that date is set and it doesn't affect any of the other dates in my class. Let's say that I want to change due dates for a group of items. I need to come back to my item type and uncheck all. And then under date types, I'm going to go to due dates. And in this case, I want to change all of my due dates, so I need to sort them. In this case, I want the due date to change by 4 days. So I click my Adjust Dates button, and it says Adjust 3 selected items by 0 days. I'm going to change that to 4 days. I want it to be due on in July. I click Go, and the due date is now on July 3rd for those 3 items. I do have other options for how to manage my due dates, and if I click Run Date Management again, I could adjust by the number of days. If I select this option, I put in the number of days difference, like maybe I have a class that begins on Monday and I have a second section that begins on Tuesday, so I want to shift all dates by 1. Conversely, if I had a reason to shift my dates backwards, I can use negative numbers. I click Start, the dates process, and I get to the Date Management Review screen where I can again see all my activities, and I have the same options to sort and manually adjust dates. Clicking the Run Date Management Again button, I get back to a screen, and the third option is List All Dates for Review. And if I click that button, it will again process. I click Next, and this time I go straight to the Date Management Review screen where I can manage my options manually. If you have adaptive release date rules in your course, you'll notice that on the Date Management Review screen, you get a start and end column with adaptive release at the column header. Adaptive release dates do update with the Date Management Review tool. That concludes this tutorial on date management.